As you can see, the bossy baby is back and making more requests. Right now I have Aunt Jackie's knot on my watch sitting on her hair under this bag. I'm going to work that through, then section and prepare her hair for another quick and easy toddler hairstyle. But before we get into it, first let me say welcome or welcome back to Aloft Aloft. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dee, and my channel is short for a little of this, a little of that. Now let's get into her hairstyle. Since this is the last week of September, I decided it would be great to close out the month with another style that I did on my niece and get her ready for a new week of school. I did not film the back, but I will show it later in the video. I am using the same products I used in the last hair video to detangle and style her hair, which are Aussie Kids Detangler, Just For Me Grip Glaze, and African Pride Edge Gel. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. This won't be a full talk over video, but I at least wanted to explain the style that I'm doing today. As you heard at the beginning, she doesn't want any beads in her hair, which is fine because I'm doing an updo on her anyway. It's a twisted updo to be more precise, which means no beads are required. Now I'm giving her a flat twist across the front at an angle, and then I will later join the twist from the back. The back portion of her hair is split into sections. Each section is twisted and then the twists are crisscrossed going up. It may sound a little complicated, but I guarantee you it's not. Now once I am done with the front, I am going to combine the back twist with the tails of the front twist to form bantu knots at the crown of her head, and then I'll secure each one with a knot. I hope that quick explanation makes sense, but if it doesn't, all I can say is keep watching and you'll see it all come together. decided to use a little spritz on her hair and also add a foam mousse at the end just to give her a little extra hold. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. This is the final look, and she is ready for a new week of school. So as always, thanks for watching.